The British Isles, a land of green fields, ancient woodlands, and dramatic coastlines, has always been shaped by its unique climate. Our weather has defined our landscapes, our way of life, and the wildlife that calls this place home. But the stability we've relied on for generations is slipping away. The signs are clear: shifting seasons, fiercer storms, and unpredictable weather patterns. This isn't just a scientific issue, it's personal, affecting every farmer, homeowner, and parent across the country. Our food, homes, and natural world are all at risk if we ignore these changes. The climate story belongs to all of us, not just experts or politicians. The challenges ahead will test our resilience and demand collective action. We must understand what's coming, not with fear, but with determination. The future isn't set in stone, it's shaped by the choices we make now. By learning and acting, we can influence the path ahead. The time to pay attention and act is now. Our land's future, and ours, depends on it. This is a responsibility we all share. The UK is getting warmer, steadily, relentlessly. By the 2050s, winters could be up to 4.5 degrees Celsius warmer, summers up to 6.5 degrees hotter. Cold, snowy winters will become rare. Instead, expect milder, wetter months. Summers will be hotter and drier, with heat waves like 2022's record breaker becoming routine. The south and east, especially London, will feel the most extreme heat. Regional differences mean local solutions are essential. Rising temperatures affect water, food, and health, and disrupt ecosystems. This isn't a distant threat, it's happening now. The 10 warmest years on record have all occurred since 2002. The evidence is clear. We're entering a new, warmer era. The dial is turning up, and we must adapt. Our rainfall patterns are shifting to greater extremes. Winters could see up to 30% more rain, leading to more frequent, severe flooding. Downpours will be heavier, overwhelming rivers and drainage systems built for a gentler past. Flooded homes and communities cut off by water will become more common. Summers, meanwhile, will be drier. Rainfall could drop by 40% in some areas. Droughts will threaten water supplies, agriculture, and increase wildfire risk. We'll face too much water in winter, too little in summer, a paradox for water management. These aren't just statistics, they're a fundamental change in our weather. We must rethink how we manage land, water, and infrastructure. The rhythm of the rain is changing. Our future depends on how we adapt to this new reality. The stakes couldn't be higher. Fast forward to the mid-2030s, Britain is noticeably warmer. Heat waves in the low 30s Celsius will be common, straining health services and infrastructure. Wetter winters and drier summers will be the new normal. Major winter floods will disrupt thousands of homes and the economy. Summer hosepipe bans and brown lawns will be routine, especially in the southeast. Nature will shift. Spring arrives earlier, birds nest sooner, and non-native species move in. Mismatches in the food chain could threaten native wildlife. Food prices may swing with unpredictable harvests. Insurance costs in flood-prone areas will rise. Summer plans will revolve around heat forecasts. Climate change will be a daily reality, not a distant threat. Adapting will be essential for everyone. By the 2040s, the effects of warming will be stark. Summers as hot as 2022's record breaker could become the norm. Temperatures over 40 degrees C may hit the southeast regularly. Winter storms will intensify, bringing more rain and stronger winds. Coastal flooding and erosion will threaten communities and iconic landscapes. Managed retreat from vulnerable coasts will be a real discussion. Agriculture will change. New crops may thrive, but traditional ones will struggle. Water shortages and heat stress will challenge farmers and livestock. The NHS will face more heat-related illnesses and mental health impacts from flooding. New diseases could arrive as the climate warms. The 2040s will demand a robust, united response. Climate change will be a persistent, serious threat to our way of life. By 2050, Britain will be profoundly changed. 35-degree days in London will be normal. 40-degree heat waves a yearly worry. Homes, transport, and workplaces will need costly upgrades to cope. Air conditioning will become a necessity, driving up energy use. Sea levels could rise by up to 50 centimetres, making coastal flooding a constant threat. Some communities may be forced to relocate as the sea reclaims land. Native species will struggle. Iconic oaks and rainforests may vanish. Food security will be a national concern, with more imports and volatile harvests. The economic toll of extreme weather will be huge. Britain will be in a constant state of adaptation. The choices we make now will decide if we can manage this future or be overwhelmed by it. Our actions today matter more than ever. Climate change is a human story about our health, homes, and security. Heat waves will cause more deaths, especially among the vulnerable. Homes and hospitals must be adapted to provide cool refuges. Flooding will bring trauma, loss, and long-term psychological impacts. Communities will face disruption, isolation, and damaged infrastructure. Transport networks will buckle in heat and flood in winter. Food prices will swing with the weather. Green spaces may close due to wildfire risk. Even leisure and sports will shift to avoid extreme heat. The impacts will not be felt equally. Those least able to adapt will suffer most. Climate justice must be at the heart of our response. We must protect the most vulnerable and ensure no one is left behind. Our daily lives will change in countless ways. The time to prepare is now. Our wildlife is on the front line of climate change. Puffins struggle as their food source, the sand eel, moves to cooler waters. Ancient oaks and temperate rainforests are threatened by heat, drought, and disease. Rivers warm, endangering trout and salmon. Floods and droughts disrupt their life cycles. The delicate balance of our ecosystems is under pressure. Some species adapt, like egrets and butterflies moving north. But this brings new competition. Not all can keep up. Many native species face decline or extinction. Our forests, rivers, and coasts are changing, sometimes irreversibly. The loss of biodiversity is a warning sign. Nature's resilience has limits. Protecting our wild places is urgent. The foundations of our environment are shifting. We must act to preserve what we cherish. The future isn't fixed. Our actions now will shape it. The UK has already made progress, cutting emissions and investing in renewables. Offshore wind farms and new technologies show what's possible. Government, communities, and individuals all play a role. Net zero targets, greener cities, and sustainable farming are steps in the right direction. We must accelerate both mitigation and adaptation. Nature-based solutions, like restoring wetlands and planting trees, are vital. Building resilience is a national project. This is a human imperative, not just a political one. Everyone can make a difference. from daily choices to supporting bold policies. Our natural world is our greatest ally in this fight. The challenge is great, but so is our capacity for change. For future generations, we must succeed.